Hey, how's it going, everyone? So today is a very exciting day for me because it's been a while since the last I've had a brand new phone, especially a brand new iPhone. And today I've got in front of me the brand new iPhone 15. So the iPhone 15 series just released today in Australia, the 22nd of September 2023, and it wasn't a long line because I got there on a weekday. It's a Friday, and I picked up the item at 1 o'clock. So yeah, I think most people are still in the at work, and it's going to replace this iPhone, the iPhone 10 that I've got, and I think it still looks really nice. It's been kept in a case, and it's been having a screen protector its whole life. But yeah, without further ado, let's go to the iPhone 15. The matte black color. Well, it's actually a very conventional color. I don't know whether I should return this and get the blue one instead, because the blue one looks really nice in person. But this is a pre-order. I ordered this 7 days ago, so I didn't get a chance to have a look and compare the colors. And okay, let's see. Okay, I guess we just take it off from this side. Beautiful. Beautiful. It looks beautiful, I'll be honest. And looks like it doesn't attract fingerprints. Just a tiny bit if you got oily hands or sweaty hands, but otherwise, yeah, I don't really see any mark on the back side of the iPhone. Um, it's yeah, it feels nice. It feels great. And inside, you get what's this? Oh, just the SIM card tray opener and some instructions. Just a single sticker here, and you get a braided cable. Oh, it looks really nice. Like Apple finally does something different this time with the cable, because I know we've been with the type of cable that breaks every time. But yeah, the braided cable looks great. Let's see how long this one lasts. I think this one will be more durable. And yeah, since this is an unboxing video, that's all about the new iPhone. We got nothing else here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.